Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to add a cover photo to your Facebook page from your gallery using the latest update on PC. Whether you want to refresh your brand or just give your page a new look, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and quick. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you can access your pages. Select the page you want to update. Now that you're on your page, focus on the top section where your current cover photo is displayed. Hover your mouse over the cover photo area, and you'll see an option appear, usually labeled Edit Cover Photo or simply Add Cover. Click on this option to move forward. A menu will pop up with several choices. Select Upload Photo. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer, letting you browse your gallery for the perfect image. Choose the picture you want as your new cover photo and click Open. The photo will start uploading immediately. Once your image appears on the page, you'll have the chance to reposition it. Click and drag the photo to adjust how it fits within the cover area. Make sure the most important parts of your image are visible and centered. If you need to make any edits, now's the time. Take a moment to ensure everything looks just right. When you're happy with the placement and appearance, click Save Changes. Your new cover photo will be published instantly, giving your page a fresh and updated look. Remember, a well-chosen cover photo can make a strong first impression, so select an image that truly represents your page. That's all it takes. You've successfully added a new cover photo to your Facebook page from your gallery on PC. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check how your cover photo looks on both desktop and mobile for the best results.